Hey folks, in this video we're going to take a look at the objectives and assignments associated with Week 4, Module 1 on atoms and atomic structure. So the structure of this is of course the same as with other modules. What we have here are the basic objectives and questions that we're addressing in this particular module. You'll notice, of course, that there are two Labster exercises, one on the periodic table and one which deals with atomic structure and the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Hopefully you'll enjoy that. That's fun. That's a fun simulation. The atomic structure booklet has 3 chapters in it, which are chapter on wave-particle duality, which is kind of weird properties of matter that mystified scientists when these properties were first discovered in the early 20th century and are still a little bit of a mystery. There are some questions about the nature of reality based on this. Basic atomic structure, nuclear structure of atoms with neutrons and protons, and of course electrons in chapter 2. Here's a video on discharge lamps, which was just shows how different materials have different colors and what all of that means. And again, of course, if you go back and look at these videos where I am doing the talking, there is a PowerPoint outline associated with each to help guide you through the video itself. The last chapter is a video on the periodic table, on the properties of atoms and the arrangement of atoms in the periodic table. Going back to the main module, of course, then we've got our assignments, which again are typical for these particular modules. There is a discussion forum, the Atomic Properties Forum, where we have 5 basic discussion questions here for you to address. Some involving a little bit of research on your part. There are group questions as usual. Same kinds of things as you've seen before. Not as many calculations this time around. These are more qualitative in nature in these particular questions. And then, of course, a quiz consisting of 5 questions that are based on the material that's in the videos in the booklet. And then again, as noted before, there are 2 Labster simulations associated with this particular module. So again, there shouldn't be any surprises here in terms of structure, in terms of the nature of the assignments, but you may, of course, have questions. I expect you will have questions, and I invite you to ask questions. Contact me if you have any questions. I will certainly be happy to make arrangements to meet with you virtually to help address any questions you have. So we'll see you later.